Hello, lovelies. This is a little simulation, a little graphic of before and after a continental glacier. We're going to go through some of the features here that are left from a continental glacier. So here we have the kind of during or halfway through the end of the glacier. We've got this glacial ice, which could be a couple miles thick. It's got cracks in it. It's got water that's melted and is running out through the bottom. So this would be considered like an ice cave that has a river at the bottom. We have kames here. Kames were holes in the glacier that got filled with sediment, and then when the ice melted out from underneath it, it dropped the rocks here. This green here is an end moraine, so all of the ice stuff that has been bulldozed in front of the glacier then gets left and melted. We have an outwash plain here that is full of sediment from the glacier, and we've got ice blocks here that are going to form kettle lakes when they melt and the outwash dries up here. This river is all melted. Then it's going to be left with holes in the ground that fill with ice. So let's watch the end here now. So now moraine here is a key word. Moraine means a pile of glacial rocks. So we have moraines that are at the end of the glacier. We have moraines that cover, this light green, that cover the ground under the glacier as the glacier melts and picks up sediment. And we've got, here's another buried ground moraine, maybe from another one. And we've got here the kames, which was the sediment that was on top of the rock. This is the remains of that under ice river, these eskers right there. As that cave collapses, it fills with sediment. Here are the kettle lakes that used to be holes left by blocks of ice left behind that got covered with sediment, and then when they melted, they make lakes.